Hello, my name is Steve Daugherty, attorney and CEO of Montana Elder Law. Thank you so much for scheduling a consultation with us. I want to tell you a little bit about how we operate so you'll know what to expect. First, what is an estate plan? An estate plan, in its most basic form, is simply you controlling how and to whom your things are to be passed on upon your death. At a more sophisticated level, an estate plan protects your assets while you're alive and minimizes the administration cost and confusion both during your lifetime and at your death by avoiding conservatorship, guardianship, probate, or a family feud. Our firm focuses on high-quality planning and individualizing an estate plan that is unique as each family we work with. So we do not use form documents, nor have we found those documents of estate planning very effective when someone dies. Customizing your estate plan also keeps us from overprescribing or underprescribing the medication, so to speak. Every plan we create is properly sized for that family's specific needs. Our estate planning process is typically 3 meetings over a 30-day period. The initial consultation is an opportunity for us to get to know each other and decide whether or not we're a good fit. We will identify what you're trying to achieve and avoid with an estate plan and allow you to ask us questions about estate planning and asset protection. We'll answer your questions and provide an estimate of how long the work should take and how much it will cost. It is up to you then to decide whether or not you wish to retain us and allow us to help your family. The initial consultation normally takes about 30 to 45 minutes. So I want to talk about costs real quick. For estate planning, our firm uses a fixed pricing model and will provide a quote prior to you hiring us. With firms using billable hours as a pricing model, you never really know what you're going to get or get billed, so we have decided to avoid misunderstandings and fee disputes by being honest and upfront about what it will actually cost. Also, our pricing is based on the value we deliver, so we're not selling documents, but rather we're selling our expertise and experience with working with hundreds of families before on similar issues. And we have found that billable hour models do a poor job in relating to the value of an estate plan anyway. Most people who hire us make the decision at the conclusion of the initial consultation. If you do so, then we'll ask for a 50% retainer, and the final 50% will be due at the time when you sign the legal documents and the legal work is complete. Many people ask us if we take credit cards, and yes, we take both credit cards and checks for payments. Now, the second meeting is called the design meeting. This should take about 30 minutes, maybe an hour, and this is where we really dig into the details of your family dynamics and the nature of your assets. By the end of the meeting, you'll know exactly how the estate plan will work and how it's going to meet your goals of what you're trying to avoid and what you're trying to achieve. The final meeting is the signing meeting. This is where we present all of the legal documents to achieve your goals and avoid your fears, and we'll walk you through how they work. After signing the documents, you will leave the originals with us so we can scan and make copies of the signed documents. Within a few days, we'll let you know that we've completed this task, and you're welcome to pick up your estate planning binder at your convenience. The entire 3-meeting process should take about 30 days. It is important to know that our firm works as a team in order to hit our 30-day goal. Therefore, you may meet with different team members throughout the process. We find this makes for the most efficient scheduling and communication process, so expect a new face from time to time. Also, it's not uncommon for the design meeting to be done over the phone or via Zoom video conferencing, which is actually quite user-friendly. The video conferencing can be a simple and easy way to meet with your attorney, especially if we are in different towns. Currently, we're not meeting clients at the actual office locations, but rather we are conducting our consults over the phone or via video conference. So please give us a call so we can arrange the same with you. Included in this email are 2 other video links on general estate planning and asset protection. Please take time to review these prior to our initial consultation, so if you have questions about these topics, we can answer those at that time. You'll also receive a second email that includes our standard intake form. You can easily fill this out online, and upon completion, it will be returned to us automatically by email. You may also print and mail it if you wish. There may be some questions on the intake form that you're not sure how to answer, or they may seem inapplicable. Well, that's fine. You can skip those and we can discuss those points at the meeting. However, the more you can complete and return, the more meaningful we can make the initial consultation. If you're unable to complete the videos in intake form prior to the initial consultation, then we respectfully ask for you to call and reschedule your consultation for a later date so you'll be afforded the adequate time you need to do so. We are excited to meet you and hopefully welcoming your family to our family. We look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.